right, the original Zen Pearl. Bought this off a guy in our league for 20 bucks. Says he had less than like 20 games on it. I'll put the layout in the description. But yeah, we'll see what this does here. Not bad, not bad. So let me know if you have the original Zen Pearl. This is the first Zen that I've owned. And when he came to the league and said, I got a couple balls for 20 bucks, I said, I'll buy them off you. So I bought this and the Pride Dynasty. Had the brother-in-law plug them, and I drilled them this morning. A little too fast right down the middle. That was 15.5. I'm trying to figure out the shape of this thing. I think the diff is 0.50, if I'm not mistaken, or 0.40. I'll have to put the numbers in the description here. So far so good, no splits yet. Knock on wood. Couldn't get the knockdown. So I think this ball is going to be pretty good on the burn here in Napa. Got stuck on my damn thumb. Still trying to figure out this ball. I'm standing on 20, 25. And seeing where it comes back from. This ball needs to be rolled a little bit slower than what I'm doing. Tripping them 10 pins. our first split. I like it, the Zen. Not too shabby for a $20 ball. Never underestimate the power of a used ball. I'm telling you. By the way, this is the first, this and the Pride Dynasty is the first re-drilled ball that I've owned, plugged and re-drilled ball that I've ever rolled. Likes to skid all the way down. That's 15.5 mile an hour. Maybe I need to slow it down a little bit on lane 11. All right, 10th frame. All right, see if we can't finish this 10th frame up with a strike. Almost. All right, 205 with the game one on the Zen. It's a used Zen. Less than 20 games on it. There it comes. Woo. Not too shabby. If I would have picked up my spare, it would have been even better. So let me know if you guys have the Zen, the original Zen Pearl, or if you have any of the other Zens that came out. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.